Hello and welcome to my channel, The Flamenco Coach. I'm Belinda Ratinel, your flamenco coach. My mission is to help other flamenco dancers like myself learn how to improvise for Bulerías Patada without feeling scared, lost or terrified. My aim is to share with you my tips and tricks that I have learned that have helped me learn how to improvise for Bulerías Patada. In my last two videos, I taught two different 6-count remates that María del Mar Moreno used in one of her Bulerías classes. Today, in this video, I am making a part 3 where I'm going to put the two remates together in a little sequence similar to how Maria used it in her patada. I'm going to first of all teach you the little sequence. We'll practice that, then we'll put it to some solo compás. We're going to start with a slow tempo, moving up a little bit faster and then faster again to the more truer speed of Bulerías Patada, and then we'll put it to a letra. If you want to learn the two remates, I will put a link to the two videos in the description below so you can go and learn those two remates. But before I go ahead and show you the sequence, let's have a look at Maria using those two remates in her little patadita at the start. Let's take a look at the sequence. First, I'll recap the two remates that I taught in the two previous videos. The first one went like this, and the second remate went like this one. So both of those are 6-count remates, and we will count this in sixes because it is the Bulerías de Jerez style. To get started with the little sequence, we'll do similar to what Maria has done in her patadita, where we're going to put each remate at the end of the sung line. So the singer, when we get to the letra, you'll find the singer sings the first line and then does a repeat of the first sung line, and we'll put the first remate to the end of the first sung line and the second remate to the end of the repeat of the first sung line. Hopefully that wasn't too confusing, but it'll make more sense when we do get to the letra. So as I said, we are counting in sixes, so we will be starting off with just our little palmas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And when we hear the singer come in with the first sung line of the letra, we come in with our salida, the first 6-count remate. And then we'll go into marking this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. And then we're just going to do a little jump backwards on the 4, 5, 6. So on the 4, 5, 6. So I'll face the back and show you that one. So we're doing the marking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then on the third set, 1, 2, 3. Stamp together on the 4. A little jump back on the 5. And then we're ready. We just wait on the 6. And then we're ready for the 1 for our 6-count remate there. So let's practice that again. So we just start with our clapping before we come out with our salida. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we do our first remate, which is our salida because we're coming out for our patada. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we're into the marking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that was 2 sets of 6. And on the third set of 6 is when we're going to do the little stamp and jump back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we're ready for the second remate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. After that second remate, we're going to go into some more marking. And this time we'll just on the spot do some forward marking like this. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To recap, as we come out of the second remate, which was 6, and then we'll just bring our right leg forward. 1, 2, 3. Bring the right leg to the side. 4, 5, 6. Left foot forward. 1, 2, 3. Bring to the side. 4, 5, 6. Right leg. 1, 2, 3. Bring it to the side. 4, 5, 6. And now we're actually in the second sung line, and we have come to the caída. So we are going to use that as an opportunity to do 3 walks back to prepare for a llamada. Left on the 1, 2, 3, right on the 3, 4, 5, left on the 5, 5, 6. And then you would be ready for your llamada, which we're not doing in this little sequence, we're just doing up to the 3 walks back. And that's a good little introduction into how you can use those 2 remates in your patada. So let's recap those steps. We have, we're just starting, pretend we're in our little circle and we're just clapping along with everyone else. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've heard the singer come in with the letra, so we're going to use the last 6 counts to do our 6 count remate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Into marking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's the little sequence. Let's put that to some solo compás. We'll start slowly and then we'll build up the tempo, and after that we'll then put the sequence to the letra. This solo compás is 150 beats per minute, so a nice slowish tempo to start practicing. I will go through the sequence and I'll face the back. Let's run through it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's practice again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 170 beats per minute. Let's practice the step over and over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good work, let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 190 beats per minute. Let's practice the steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're ready to put the sequence to a letra. In this particular letra, the singer will sing the first sung line. There'll be a respiro, then she will repeat the first sung line. So we're going to put the first remate with the end of the first sung line. We'll do a little bit of marking until the repeat of the first sung line, and then we'll come in with our second 6-count remate. From there, we will continue with our forward marking here. And from there, that's when the singer is into the second sung line, and we'll do 3 of these, and then on the 4th one back is the preparation for Yamada. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that will coincide with the end of the second sung line, which is the caída, and that's a good place to prepare for your Yamada. And that's where we're just going to go up to with our little sequence. So let's put the music on repeat and practice the sequence over a few times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 'Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and you found it useful, and you'll be able to use this little remate sequence in one of your Bulerías Patadas. If you want to find out my insider secrets on improvising for Bulerías Porta Fiesta, I have a free masterclass. I'll put the link in the description below, and I share with you my step-by-step framework on how to pull off the perfect patallita every time without feeling terrified, not hearing the cues in the music, or not knowing the parts of the dance. Happy dancing, and I'll see you next time. Bye!